Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will configure Redux tool. So first I will create reducer. So inside client folder, inside src folder, I'll create a new folder and name it as reducers. Okay. And inside this reducers folder, I'll create a new file and name it as index.js. Index.js. So this is our root reducer. Okay. Here I will import combined reducers from Redux. So let's do it. Import. Let me close this. And inside curly braces, I'll do combine reducers from Redux. Okay. And here I'll export default combined reducers. Okay. And inside this, I'll pass an empty object. Let me save this. So this reducer part is done. Now I will create the store file. So let me close this, and inside src folder, I'll create a new file and name it as store.js. Let me close this, and now import create store because we are creating store. So create store and apply middleware because we are using Thunk as a middleware. So we need apply middleware. So apply middleware from Redux. Okay. Then we need to import Thunk from Redux Thunk. Okay. Then we need to import compose with dev tools from Redux DevTool extension. Okay. Then we need to import the root reducer. So import root reducers. Sorry, import root reducer from /reducer. Okay. Let me save this. And then we need to create an initial state. So const initial state equals to an empty object. So we are setting initial state with an empty object. Okay. Then we need const middleware. Okay. We need to create a variable called middleware, which is equal to Thunk. Okay. Now we will create the store. So const store equals to create store. And inside this, we need to pass root reducer. Then we need to pass initial state. Then we need to pass compose with DevTools. And here we will pass apply middleware as an argument. Apply middleware, and we need to pass middleware as a spread operator. So dot middleware. Okay, let's save this. Now we need to export the store. So export default store. Okay, let me save this. Now we need to go to app.js. Okay, so inside app.js, we need to import two items. The first one is provider and the second one is store. So let's do it. So this is like Redux. And here I will import provider from React Redux, and then I'll import store. Okay, so import store from /store. Let's save this, and now we need to wrap the entire router inside provider. Okay, so here before the router, I'll take provider, and here we need to pass the store. So store is equal to store. Okay, and now let's cut this provider, and here we need to paste it. Let's save this. So now we are able to access the store inside our application. Now let's go to the browser. Okay, first let's see the application is running or not. So it's not running. So npm run dev. Now let's open Redux DevTools. So right click inspect, and here as you can see we have Redux DevTools. So just click on it. Okay, and here you can see we have all this action, state, difference. Okay, so this redux dev tool will help us to debug, and we can even see the changes in our state using this redux dev tool. So now we have a functional redux store configured and ready to use in our MERN application. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.